Right, today I've decided I'm going to change my pre-filters on my RO system. So I'll just take these screws out that hold it in place. It's been about 7 months since I changed these, and I normally do it every 6. They're not normally that bad. I know a lot of people do it after 3 months. Works out cheaper to do it this way than it does to keep changing resin. I've got this little key here that turns, slides up the back, and then when I've got proper leverage on it, it just twists off. That's loosened that one. Sometimes there's a little nipple on top of here, sometimes to press that in to release the pressure, but with this there's no pressure. There we go, that's 7 months of filth. Let's take that out. So in the top of here there's a rubber seal. I like to just put some of this silicone grease around it just to stop it from cracking. You don't need it every time, but I do like to just give it a little spreading of it. It's just a very small amount. It's really clean inside there. So I only put that around the rubber seal just to protect this rubber seal, make it last longer. Now I'll just get a pre-filter for that. So I buy these Spectrums polypropylene 20-inch. I've gone for a slightly different one this time, as that one looks like just foam, and then that one, the new one, doesn't. It looks like foam on the inside, but you just sit these in the centre. There's a little nipple in the bottom that it sits in. It's little centerpiece. If I can just get it to sit in there. Let me just see how that one sits. That sits over it and this doesn't. Oh, there, it's done it now. So that's just sitting over the little nipple at the bottom. And just put this back on. And then there's one at the top you have to realign it with as well. Screwing it on's harder than screwing it off, because it's got to get right in exactly central. Right, so that's that one done. It's as easy as that, and then I'll just give it a little nip up just to keep it watertight. Don't have to be too tight. And then the same again with this second one, this carbon one. Oh, it's really tight, that. I don't remember putting it on that tight. Oh. Oh, maybe it wants pressure releasing. Oh, I can't press it for some reason. Oh, it's really hard. Don't normally have this problem. Oh, wow. There, I've done it. So when you just loosen it, it just comes nice. Oh, so that's that one off. And that's the carbon one, and that looks very clean. It's not that bad at all, that. We're getting a bit of drips. So I'll just get this. So this is the new carbon one, and that's the one I'm replacing. Hardly out. It's nice. Just tip this water out. And you do have to normally clean these out, but they're absolutely shiny inside. So if you keep up to changing them regular, then keep your system looked after. Try not to touch it. Should wear gloves. Just slots in there, same as the other. Bit fiddly to get it to go over the centerpiece, but it's over. And just screw it back on. Line it up. Oh, I haven't put any silicone grease around this one. That's why we're rushing it. Just put a little bit around the edges, around the rubber seal. That's it. There were already some on from last time. If I apply it every time, it don't really need it every time. I've got this white insulation behind it, and I think that's what might be stopping it. Oh, come on. Just got to get that filter in the centre. That carbon filter, that's it. Just give it a little nip up with the key now. Could do with these changing to clear ones so I can see. Right, so I should be able to just start filling my system again now. I'll bring you back in a minute. So now I've got it flushing through at the moment. Just checking and making sure there's no leaks before I go any further. I don't want to put these back on yet if it needs tightening up. making a funny noise while it's refilling. It's probably building its pressure up. So as you can see at the minute, it's just flushing through, so I've got it just trickling out of here while it's flushing. Before I have it going through the RO itself. I can't see any leaks anywhere, so they must be all hunky-dory. Yeah, I wish this one was clear so I could keep an eye on it, but changing it as regular as I do is good enough. I mean, to be honest, it's not that bad, and it was still giving me 0, and that is brilliant. That carbon one, it's still like new. Right, let's see what it's reading. That should start coming down now. Yes. It does look like they're coming down that number and they're not leaking, they're watertight. So I can put these brackets back on. Do that while I'm waiting for it to flush. Sorry about that. I'll just put these brackets back on now. Here's my drill. And these don't have to be tight. To be honest, you don't really need these. I think next time I come to changing these, I might change the old unit so that's a clear one. Now then guys, look at this. I'll just take the camera off here and show you this. So it's down to 6 now. That's just flushed out down to 6. So that's the pre-filters doing all the hard work. And it's running out of the quicker as well now. So now I think I can turn the RO on. On 5. Let's adjust this. Let's get the RO working. Bringing it down even more. I think I'm happy for that to go through the resin now. To polish it off. resin can polish that 5 off. I'm sure it'll handle that nicely. Oh, 2, that'll do. I think soon I won't need any resin. So I'll just switch these taps over now so it starts filling the tank. So that's into the tank, and that stops that water outside. We're down to 3 again now, and that's the tank filling. Fab. My pressure is 30, which is 2 bar. Right, thanks for watching. I've been wanting to do that all week.